Welcome to this Coachmen Catalina Insider First Take. My name is Matt Eppers, and today we're going to be talking about how to maintain your water heater and water pump in your Coachmen Catalina. Now, finding your water heater or water pump can be a little bit tricky, so what we've done is added a floor plan guide on our website of where each water heater and water pump is located. What you're going to do is go to the model page you're looking for, and then you're going to click down to the last image in the group of images that are there, and that'll be where your floor plan guide is at. So once we've found your water heater or water pump, we'll move on to how to maintain it. So now that we've located the water heater and water pump using our guide on the internet, what we're going to do is remove the access panels down here in order to reveal where the water pump and water heater are located. So once we've loosened the screws on the access panel, we simply have to remove it in order to show the water heater and water pump behind it. We will do the same with this access panel here. So now that we've accessed the water pump, it is important to note that the most common reason that a water pump does not work is because the inside of the pump needs to be clean. Dirt and debris on the diaphragm will prevent water from being pumped. To check this, we're going to remove the filter and diaphragm to check and clean the necessary components. Once the filter and the diaphragm are clean to replace, we're going to then reinstall them and then check to make sure that the water pump is working properly. Once the filter and diaphragm are clean and replaced, we're going to reinstall them and then check to make sure that the water pump is working properly. To do this, go to the command center and flip the switch for pump. This should turn on the water pump and illuminate the switch. You should be able to hear the water pump activate and engage. To ensure that it's working correctly, go to a sink or shower and turn on the water to make sure that it's coming out. In searching for the water heater, we can use the same floor plan graphic that we use to find the water pump. It is important to note that from July 1st, 2017 and on, all Catalina product lines come standard with gas and electric water heater. This means that you can power your Catalina water heater using your LP gas or through an electric connection. All of the water heaters are also equipped with DSI, which stands for direct spark ignition. This means that your water heater will automatically ignite using a switch inside of your Catalina. You do not have to exit your trailer in order to start your water heater. Catalina water heaters are also capable of quick recovery. This means that your 6-gallon water heater can actually produce 16.2 gallons of hot water per hour. To use your water heater, go to the command center and flip the switch labeled heater. If you're using gas, you will use the gas connection. If you're using electric, you will use the electric. The illuminating switch will indicate that the water heater is operating. To check it, turn on a sink or shower and check for hot water. This may take a moment as water heater does need time to work. It is important to note that your water heater's standard setting is gas. This means that the water heater will only work using a gas supply. In order to switch the setting from gas to electric, go to the exterior of the water heater and open the door. There's a switch located on the bottom of the water heater that signals to the water heater what energy supply to use. Simply flip the switch to convert the electric power and close the latch to the door. From this point forward, your water heater will only operate using electric power. To switch it back to gas, simply repeat the process and flip the switch back to gas. It is important to remember that you do have to either press the electric or gas button on your command center. Thanks for tuning in today and enjoy your Catalina travel trailer.